Johnny here with Texas Power Washing and Fence Staining. I've got a few items that I'm going to open up over the course of a couple of videos. Today we're working on the North Star flat surface cleaner. It's a 20-inch machine. It's got a max GPM of 8 gallons per minute. We've got a minimum of 3.0. The max pressure on it is 4,000 and a minimum of 2,500 PSI. So I'm looking to get into commercial and residential, and this is I feel after doing tons of research, this is an effective tool that's going to assist me in achieving that level of success that I'm looking for. So today what we're going to do is we're going to go over obviously just unpackaging and putting the equipment together. Should be pretty easy. We've got a short video, not narrated, but one of us putting the power washer together, and that was a pretty simple process. So go ahead and get some of these pieces out here so we can go ahead and start putting them together. Much heavier. So, one of those boxes is insulation for shipping. Let's see what we got in this guy here. Alright. So it looks like we have the main component here for a power washer, surface cleaner rather. There we go. Pretty lightweight, not too heavy. So you can see here, we've got the streamers there. They're going to be applying the pressure when cleaning the driveway surfaces, parking lot, sidewalks, and all those nice areas. Let's see here. So it doesn't look like it comes with instructions. I can see. So, must be a pretty simple process to put together. So on the side of the handlebar here, we've got the owner's manual. We've got model number 49429 that we're working on right now. It doesn't have the base wheels on it. Of course, you want to read through this prior to assembly, and sometimes just to go back through, just to jog your memory to ensure that you're using this device properly, keeping it safe, storing it properly. So personal safety, stay alert, watch what you were doing, use a common sense when operating the surface cleaner. Do not use it while you're tired or under the influence of drugs, alcohol, or medication. Dress properly, do not wear loose clothing. Of course, you don't want it to get stuck into the surface cleaner itself. Wear proper personal protective equipment. That's an obvious. Let's see here. Do not overreach. Don't tangle this device up. Remove keys or wrenches before connecting the surface cleaner to an air supply, power supply, or turning on the tool itself. Let's see here. Do not exceed the rated PSI capacity. So of course, if you are hooking it up to a more powerful power washer that can produce a higher PSI, just ensure that you're not raising it all the way up, because this is once again, a max of 4,000 PSI that it lets out. So page 7 begins the instructions on how to connect the device together here. So we're going to go ahead and read through this and get started.
before each use, check for damaged parts. Make sure that all the parts that come with your piece of equipment are operable, not cracked or broken in any way, shape, or form. Look pretty good. Again, from Northern Tool. It's in pretty good shape too. Threads look nice and clean. And again, pretty good quality. So no problems or issues with the parts. They look pretty good. Let's see here. So we're going to attach the upper to the lower as suggested in the first few steps of the assembly manual. Of course, we've got top here and bottom here. I'm a visual person. Just to confirm, I want to see that the handle is facing out and that the hose is also facing out. So we're going to ensure that we've got the components facing out. On the bottom of the handle here, you'll see that there is a little area here for the hose, so we've just got to make sure that we've got it facing in the same section as the top piece. Pretty simple to put together. We're going to do for right now. Go ahead and get these screws prepped. Slide these through like so. Pretty easy. What I do is screw it in through the bottom. So we need to get a wrench for these two guys here. They slide on pretty easily, but they start to tighten pretty quickly. Some tools, a couple of wrenches, and this bevel on its way. Let's check. So the next step is we'll connect the inlet filter onto the cleaner itself to the FS gun inlet. This gun inlet over here. So I'm going to go ahead and grab this guy right here and just simply attach in. Wrench necessary. Put your screw on there. So this will allow you to connect it obviously to the filter that attaches to the power washer itself. So in the event that you're not utilizing the gun on the pressure washer and you're cleaning a flat surface like a driveway or a sidewalk, simply connect it to this insert here. So I may have overlooked it, but I didn't see in the instruction manual where to attach these, but a little common sense will tell you that, you know, These belong here to hold the handle to the surface cleaner itself. So all in all, pretty easy install. Could have made it a little easier by using a flat surface to connect the top and the bottom handle, but got it done either way. Attach the hose to the surface cleaner itself. Tight, not too tight as to break it, but tight enough to ensure that it's going to stay on there and not pop off when you got 4,000 pounds of pressure coming out of the hose. So, got that taken care of. All in all, it took about 10 to 15 minutes to unbox and put together. Seems like it's ready to go. It's just a matter of connecting the hose from the pressure washer to the surface cleaner itself. I'm not going to use it tonight, but I'll leave another video on how the surface cleaner performs. Leave a review on it, and if you have any questions, comments, advice, if you have used this device before, and you know, have something to say about it, leave a message, drop a comment. I'd appreciate it. I'll follow up with a couple of other pieces of equipment that we have here that we're going to unbox. We'll have another couple of videos as well. And stay safe, and remember, shine brighter than the rest. Talk to you later. Thanks.